If you're trying to launch GTA and you get an error message or it tells you that the Steam API's 64.dll file is missing, don't worry. Both of these issues are actually pretty easy to fix. The first thing you should do is open Windows Security. Go to your virus and threat protection settings and temporarily turn off the real-time protection. If you're using a third-party antivirus program, disable it as well before launching the game. Now, if you still get the same error after doing that, here's what's probably happening. Before you disabled your antivirus, it likely detected some of the game's files as suspicious and either quarantined or deleted them. That's why the game can't launch properly. To fix it, you'll need to restore the missing files. I have 2 compressed files for this. If you don't already have them, you'll find the download links below the video. Extract the first archive and copy all of its contents into your GTA installation folder, replacing any existing files when Windows asks. Then do the same thing with the second archive. This replaces the damaged or missing files with clean ones, so you won't have to reinstall the entire game. Once you've done that, launch the game again. It should open normally. If the game still won't start, the problem is most likely that some of the required runtime components aren't installed on your PC. Open the folder that contains the game's required software and install the first program, then install the second one as well. After that, try launching the game again and everything should work correctly. If this guide helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.